What is going on, peeps? Got a fun little adventure for tomorrow. I'm shooting this little intro here the day before, but we do have a plan tomorrow to go chase some more bass. So a buddy of mine's got a camp up on the ESCANABA River that supposedly there's been some decent bass in there lately. It is fairly cold, supposed to snow, so hopefully it's not too cold and turns the bite off. So fingers crossed that we'll get on some fish. Even a couple of them will be nice. So hopefully we get on something. Otherwise you'll never see this. But so we're about to get some sleep here, get up in the morning, and get out on the lake or on the river and see if we can slam some fish. So see y'all in the morning. Bye-bye. Go. Oh, that feels like a bigger one. Well, no, he's not that big. It's a fish though. He's not small. Oh, geez, that's all muck. Not too bad. Buddy. Well, if you haven't noticed, I'm just using a good old tube here. Got 3/16 ounce weight. Just kind of popping it off the bottom a little bit. A little bit of current in here, so I'm trying not to let it sit too long. Then you end up getting snagged up. Usually on the pause, they crank it. So, oh fuck, I missed him. Oh God! There's one. There he is. Look at that. He came back for it. All right. see the river here. She's flowing pretty good through here. Then we got a little bit of a cut right here where we got some slack water, and there's another one. Oh, okay. Got a little bit of slack water right in here. So we're kind of playing to that. And toss it right at the edge of the current and the slack water. See if we can get some fish holding up in there. Just had one on there for a second, didn't get a good hook set in it, so she came out. Let's try to cast it down into the current. Let's see how that works. Sometimes you can get them staring upstream, and you cast down into the current and get them staring upstream, looking for baits. Here's one. Look at that. Just talking about how you can get them. Oh, he's swimming right at me. Oh, I lost him. Oh, damn it. Let's go right back out there then. Oh yeah, that was a freaking good one. That was, well, I don't know if it's a good one or not, but that was a good hit. Yeah, it's a smaller one. Still a nice freaking hit. Yeah, he wanted it. They're not huge, but they're a solid 1.5 pounds, 2 pounds. Number 3. Let's see whose is bigger. I think mine's bigger. Oh yeah, mine's bigger. Look at that little guy.
Oh, don't worry, I caught the river.
Oh shit, tripled up.
Yay!
Only 2 fish though. Huh?
Yeah.
Huh?
1 pounders? I literally was fixing my drag. Fucking. Oh yeah, I'm taking the boat out real soon.
Oh god, this one's nice and deep in there. There it is. Alright. Thanks for playing, little 1 pounder. It's been real.
So usually when I'm here, I bounce it a whole bunch. Just because I can like bounce it over the rock.
Oh man, my finger is so cold. Oh shit. Almost just died. Almost just died. Content. I'm leaving that one in. Oh god, now I'm snagged. Oh, got it out. Oh. And I already get one. Look at that. Right? Want to try a different color tube or what? Oh god, he swallowed it. Oh yeah, down in there real good. Oh god, come on, there it is. Oh yeah, solid 3/4 pounder, maybe 1 pounder. Later, bud. gosh, that was like, that was ridiculous. Holy moly. Thunk, thunk, slack.
Yeah, that's what the one did to me, but I
oh, wow. She hit that hard. Pulling some drag, too. No one pulls drag out of the DC. Just kidding, they all do. She feels like she's got some, she feels like she's growing.
Did they fight hard?
I don't know what. Oh god, it's just a dinker.
She's growing.
She felt like she was growing for a second there. I mean, by no means is it small. It's also not big. You're smaller than I expected. Right in the top lip. Yeah, buddy. Are they like all the same size? Is this just, we just keep catching the same fish?
I got a 5-pounder here one time.
A 5-pounder?
One time.
Oh, that's a big boy. Oh god, yeah, I've broken lots of hooks.
I break lots of
especially the Danielson ones.
Oh yeah.
You can't even snag that out and bend it without breaking something.
Snag a Danielson hook in grass and it'll break the hook point off.
Seriously.
I think I'm on number 2.
Oh shit. Dude, I thought that was a snag. It's not.
Might be a better one.
It freaking looked decent. I thought that was a snag. Here, I just pull up on it. I didn't even set the hook on this fish.
Half the time I don't. I just pull into them.
All right. No. You look just like the last one, bud. Oh, look at that.
Oh, really?
Instant release. Get a good one for the camera, all nice and dirty. Later, bud. All right, well, I didn't get to shoot an outro a little earlier. You know, I had some stuff I had to take care of, so we did get just home just now. I can't even speak. We did just get home. Did pretty well. It was freezing as hell, and couldn't feel some of my fingers for the most part. Still pretty cold. I don't know if you can see my breath. It's still cold. Had some weird weather. It was nice, and then all of a sudden now it's colder than shit. So hopefully that weather warms up a bit and we can get back on some fish, because that would be great. So yeah, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Again, if you do like this, I try to say this every video, sometimes I forget, but if you do like content like this, shoot me a like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And if you don't, let me know. I'd like to get some feedback from you guys and girls. And if you want to see something a little different, just definitely let me know. I'll see what I can do. So I have access to quite a bit of water up here, so let me know what you like to see if this isn't what you like to see. So hope y'all are staying safe out there, and hope y'all have a great day. Bye bye now.
Biojacked.